I still get asked all the time questions like, when is Ascension going to happen? I also get asked things like, what's going to happen to my family that hasn't yet spiritually awakened when Ascension happens? Like, are they going to get left behind? Stick around and let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Veronica, and welcome to the Wholeness Shift. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're not new here, you're already part of the family, welcome back. You know I love you. I help people navigate their spiritual awakenings by teaching about easy, practical spirituality, trying to explain these concepts and ideas in ways that are really easy to understand. So if this interests you, please stick around. Please hit the subscribe button and go on this journey with us. I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything good. Also, if you are interested in any coaching sessions with me, the annual holiday sale is going on through New Year's, through the end of 2022. And so all coaching is only $99 right now. Second piece of business to handle is that you should be on the lookout for the membership site to launch soon. I'm planning for it to start in November. So I'm getting ready for that, getting prepared for that. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, please keep your eye out for it. It should be coming soon. Okay, so I want to take a moment to just very, very clearly say that there is a lot of misinformation out there. There is a lot of confusion out there about Ascension and what that means, what it looks like, what's going to happen. There are a lot of teachers out there spreading a lot of misinformation too, so you really have to be careful where you're getting your information and discern whether or not it feels truthful. A lot of people out there are teaching that the physical earth we live on is going to go away. And we're either going to be whisked away, the ETs are going to come pick us up in their spaceships and get us out of here. Or we're going to suddenly poof, disappear and show up on some higher vibrating, more ascended planet that we now live on. And the old earth has passed away. And that all couldn't be further from the truth. Ascension is merely a raising of your vibrations and an expanding of your consciousness. And as we're all doing it together on this planet, the vibration of the planet is going up. So it's just you raising your vibes and opening your mind and going through this awakening process. That's all it is. It makes you want to do better and be better and contribute better and see this world be better. Then, like I said, as the entire human collective begins to awaken, begins to raise their vibes, that whole human collective is doing the same thing, and it's raising from this frequency to this frequency because so many people are awakening and raising their vibes and making better choices. Therefore, we begin to ascend or transcend the normal vibrational frequency that's typically associated with a 3D existence. And our vibration starts to match that of a 5D way more closely. This isn't a one and done, you ascend and then you're poof and gone away. That's just not reality. You're not going anywhere. You're staying right here. You're going to keep living your life, but hopefully we're going to start seeing ourselves living a better life and living in a better world. And we're going through going through the labor pains right now. All of the ugliness is still working its way out, but this is going to be a multi-generational process. Multi-generational. This isn't just you are going to wake up and Earth is going to be, on September 13th of next year, Earth is just going to be gone and we'll be on a new planet. No, this is multi-generational and it's all going to be happening here on Earth. And if you look at it, that's already been happening for decades. But the the notion that we will just be whisked away, that's really based in dogma. That's really similar to Christianity's view of the rapture, for example. So I know this isn't the first time that I've talked about this, but like I said, you can see that this has been happening for at least a generation now. Like if you look back into the 1980s to when Shirley MacLaine came out with her book Out on a Limb, where she talked about aliens and meditation and chakras and spirituality and all of this kind of thing and past lives and reincarnation, people thought she had lost her mind. They thought that it was like nothing but woo-woo. And, you know, as Jamie Butler always says, like, it's not woo-woo, it's true. I love Jamie Butler. If you guys don't follow her, you should. But anyways, nobody believed in that stuff back then. If you believed in anything like that, like if you believed in meditation or yoga or veganism, anything like that, people would probably think that you're some loon who lives in a commune in California and eats nothing but granola or something, you know what I mean? But now it's so much more commonplace. And if you say that you meditate and do yoga and are a vegan, that's associated with a healthy lifestyle. It's commonplace now. And that has happened over the course of a generation or two. And Ascension is going to continue in the same way for a few generations to come. We're going to teach our children to do better. And as these little star seeds are coming in, they're coming in with higher vibes and open minds and new ways of doing things. Good, bad, or ugly. They're coming in with new ways of doing things. And then they're going to teach their children to do different. And then they're going to teach their children to do different. And before you know it, the world as we know it is not going to look anything like it looked 50 years ago, 75, 100 years ago, right? It's not going to be one single hallmark moment. It's a shift. It's a gradual shift. All right, you guys, let me know your thoughts down below. What are your thoughts on this? Or what are some misconceptions you've seen taught other places? Just let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. If you haven't yet, hit the like and subscribe button, please. It helps me out so much on this channel. And keep your vibes high. Let love guide you. And I'll talk to you soon. Until next time.